Here we have the EVOLV City, and we're going to adjust the folding mechanism to get the tension right. So here we have one that's too loose, and you might be able to see the play that's present, and this will manifest itself as steering shake when you're riding. And then that's falling, the locking pin is falling into place too easily. So that's another indication that there's too much play. So to adjust that, I'm going to leave it like it is. Go down below, and we have, to show you what we have 3 screws here that use a 5mm Allen wrench, hex key. And if you look in here, you can see the white nylon pads on the end of those screws that press against the connection arm. So what I'm going to do is put it back in the vertical, and just to get it ball tight, I'm just going to tighten those screws, all 3 of them, so you can feel them snug up. And then what I'm going to do, so you want to have them snugged up, but I'm going to do is really tight to give you a sense of too tight. And now it's taking quite a bit of force, and I'm bracing the scooter with my knee. And that's quite a bit of force to get the pin down, and you want to make sure it's all the way down. So we'll back this off just a little bit. So we'll just loosen them. And then I'll just go just to where they're snug. That's still too loose. So here's our city, and just to show you how the folding should look. So you should have to push forward a bit to release it. Go down, go up, push it into place, it snaps down, and if you rock it, you won't really feel any play. I'm just feeling for relative movement between the block and the arm. You shouldn't feel anything. And your scooter's ready to ride.